Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to take a quick look at Unity Software, one of my favorite companies out right now, and they just reported a new acquisition. So today's episode, we're just going to take a quick overview of this acquisition and my overall thoughts. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe button, check out the pinned comment for a free Discord, free newsletter, and a lot of great investing links. So we can see Unity yesterday closed at $110, but pre-market, it seems like it's going to be another scary day. Pre-markets are down about 3.5% for Unity. We can take a quick look off all their all-time highs. Unity is down over 44%, and we can see in Unity's forward price to sales ratio is sitting at about mid-teens, about 16.68, and this is one of the lowest it's been since kind of this company came through IPO. So interesting note, I do like it being in the mid-teens, but I do believe if we get into the low teens, that's when things start to look really good for Unity. Some recent news: on January 6th, they reported that February 3rd, so about a week from now, they're going to report their fourth quarter earnings results. Obviously, I'm going to do a video on that, so make sure to stay tuned. So yesterday on January 24th, Unity welcomed Ziva Dynamics to the team. They recently acquired Ziva Dynamics, and they are a leader in sophisticated simulation and deformation machine learning and real-time character creation. So what the heck does that mean? Fortunate for us, Unity does share some of their main products, and we can see where they're going to go with them. So behind the scenes of Ziva's tech, the company's flagship software, Ziva VFX, is used to digitally replicate and couple the physics and materiality of soft tissue, such as muscle, fat, and skin, enabling artists to create the most lifelike CGI characters. And digital characters, right? CGI characters, real digital humans, in my opinion, is going to be the future within the next 4 or 5 years. This is what the CEO of NVIDIA also kind of mentioned, as a lot of these, I want to say, hospitality companies need some form of digital avatar for the customer relations, Fast food restaurants can use them for servers. So it's definitely, I want to say, a market that can grow within the next few years. Ziva also has some form of real-time simulation data that can be used to train creatures and characters of all kinds to perform in real-time environments using Ziva RT. And this is a market Unity is really interested in building up, the real-time 3D market. So Ziva simulations can obviously help accelerate. Ziva also has powerful machine learning techniques, also enable cloud-based creations that can streamline characters creation and save artists time and money. Cloud-based creation is not anything new in the overall artist industry world, but it is something that Unity also already accomplishes. Let's take a listen to today's sponsor. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me scout out new growth stocks. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services The Fool offers. Through the Motley Fool Stock Advisor services, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 new picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock Advisor's average stock picks have done amazing returns. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more of this year, you can visit fool.com/Jose Najarro or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if the Stock Advisor is right for you. Thanks again to the Motley Fool, and now onto today's video. So in the presentation, they also share some great creations of how Ziva is used. Here we can see a real-time lion kind of movement. Like we mentioned, they deal with like the muscle movement, the soft skin tissue, and just the real-time simulations of how these lions move. They also made a YouTube video to kind of present this acquisition using Emma, who is Ziva's very own digital human. And you can see throughout the video the overall types of human movements and facial movements that this kind of digital human makes. I do believe the best thing about this acquisition is Unity is using it to take some of their technology. Additionally, through the acquisition, Unity can also accelerate the process of bringing Weta tools to real-time 3D through the cloud with the power of machine learning. Ziva has already solved the challenges of bringing complex film quality simulations of real-time 3D. And if you remember previously, Unity acquired Weta. Weta is a kind of a virtual effects company that's used for the film industry. But remember, Unity is trying to enter into the real-time 3D market, into the gaming market as well. So Ziva already has some technology that helps implement those types of products into real-time 3D. And instead of Unity kind of building it themselves, they want to purchase Ziva since it already has that technology. So I think this is more of a technological play for this reason. So Weta can become, can integrate faster into Unity platforms. So I do think this is a great acquisition. At the end of the day, I don't believe this is anything that's going to revolutionize Unity or make it, I want to say, make it the stock price jump dramatically. It's not something that's going to change much revenue for the company, but as they continue to bring more tools to their platforms, I do believe more artists are going to go to them. So it's more of like the long-term game. The more tools, the more people like you, the more artists, creators come to you. And now them kind of integrating all these purchases with Weta, with Ziva, and integrate them together, Unity is going to become a stronger platform. What I do think it's pretty funny is Ziva is actually used by some of AAA games already for the creation of a Spider-Man game that was actually created by Epic Games. So that is something I thought that was interesting. But Ziva has also used in numerous leading film assets like Lost in Space in Netflix, Game of Thrones, Venom, Pacific Rim. I wonder if Weta, since they already also work in some of these platforms, if they understood that Ziva is a pretty cool company. So I wonder if they went up to the CEO and said, hey, you guys just recently purchased us as Weta. These are some of the other companies that can do well and help us integrate everything together. John Wick 3 was another one, Godzilla, Jumanji. So we can see there's definitely numerous film assets. Not many in the gaming. Like I said, this AAA Spider-Man game is brand new, but it kind of shows the ability of entering the film industry and also the gaming industry. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Take care, have a good day, and see you next time.